Hey. Never show me show. Never show delivery guy in me. Okay. But show me no maybe I be drew a VIP bus station, but wait me a bring me. Never show me. But how many minutes? Okay. I shall come on away. Right, that's right. Bremo. Me ba cho Bremo.
Good afternoon.
How am I doing my manager?
Me ba cho wa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. That's what I say.
Me ba cho 20 cents.
Okay, it's not say. Let's not say why. No, seriously.
My patrol, from there to this place is 20 Ghana cedis.
20 Ghana cedis.
I don't have change.
Oh, money war.
Madam Patrol said,
money war.
I should keep the change?
Yeah.
But that's I'm sure.
Oh.
May God bless you, madam.
Amen.
Madam Patrol, the mess up.
Oh, it's not say. Mommy is 7 in Komokakra.
Oh, madam, we there, what down,
Miss Shaw.
Come in, go for no ma air quackuma, and to come to me fast. Now come cover.
Anytime everything there, come mean check. Miss Shaw, Miss 7 in Komokakra, Miss Shaw. Okay, then you will show more friends.
Anything is okay for me.
Alright. You're sorry. You need to be this is
Oh, no problem. Thank you, madam. Thank you once again. Thank you once again.
Eddie, many is someone. Oh, yeah, you want a chair.
Patch on
a chair.
Since secondary school, and I'm sure I send me here. The first now, madam for me. Now, papa is security man. And now, we're motor. And I'm a jelly and I'm a yard. And I'm sure madam for the American school, you to me to a school. And I'm also told motor to be my mina. Masha said the motor near delivering a crack. I'm so many didn't.
Okay. Nah, I don't advance. I come to society. No, I choose somebody.
The thing is, you might use a dream about my boys now. Pro, I said, school settlement, me and to us one country. Until you know what's it, me winning a crank now. Meeting the top behind the name, my man, and papa,
like, in case I make us a more to school swap.
Are you sure?
Why not?
Helping me to continue my education?
Of course.
Wow.
And I'm ever ready to help you.
I will be very much happy.
So are you ready to go to?
I'm ready, madam. Madam,
ready?
oh, I'm ready.
Okay. How we gonna do it? Scuba na pesoko.
Okay, now can person cook University.
University.
Oh, Polytechnic.
Oseti kama.
Oh yeah. Only be back up.
Asemo.
Sir, you that's madam. Oh, my friend, you cry.
Robert's not mentioning.
What you say?
It's not mentioning.
Say, Mitia na also tia na yedinko.
Yemuchi.
Madam, so what kasa Mitio?
It's not mentioning.
I should come and sit beside you.
Robert's not mentioning.
Okay, I'm coming.
But what's up on the crash show do you? How about taking the say?
It's the rule of the game.
If you are someone shall sleeps.
Yes.
What is ye or can wash?
Pacho. Odaroma. Is no current yama. I will add anything you grab her. I'll be cool.
Oh, I didn't know wrong.
Madam, what's much I could call?
It's not hey, then a we. On beso because school.
But person go school.
No fair, Brandy.
And madam, a child and go school. Tell me, you said you have a theater.
It's not mentioned. Bra.
They are dancing. They are dancing. They are dancing at Baja.
How many I
see them on the television.
That's a young.
It's nice. I like the way they are dancing.
Oh, girl.
Madam. Yes, no. Thank you. Madam Patron, can you present me corner?
Oh, David,
Madam.
I don't know we.
Madam, me were yare so. Or bad in the Sacamina yare member.
No more today, I can do it because
your friend stop touching me disease. Or bad in the Sacamina. I said,
you're not serious.
Madam, I'm very serious.
You're not.
I'm serious. I want to go to school, but. Number Josie. Pacho, I'm coming.
I'll pay, don't worry.
Okay. Madam, me Pacho with the Wadaroma. I have a problem with my fingers. Son crom bra.
Ah.
Son crom bra. Home crom bra. Ao bra.
Peso because squad.
Madam Pacho, peso because. Hey.
What is the second you doing over here?
Okay.
Who are you?
I'm a delivery boy.
Delivery boy?
Yes, I came to deliver something for her.
Wait. And that is your position?
I can explain. Let me
If you one word from here, I will slap you, you know me.
Oh, Oga.
And that is your position you are standing?
It's not my position, but the thing is, I came to deliver something and
seriously, I just beg him to just.
Oga, take it easy. Oga, I'm innocent.
If you come, I will slap you. If you come close, I will slap you.
He is innocent.
Come.
No.
Come, I don't need any word from you. I say come.
Oh, I know him.
I said, if you don't come where I stand up or I come there,
you will be like me.
I'm a human being. And how can you get the right to come inside my room? And can you tell me wrong?
Ask me to enter.
I
did. To enter.
Yes.
Yeah. And then you have the house, okay, let me enter. You don't tell that person, say, okay, I cannot enter.
Oga, and I'm begging you.
You are begging me.
Just forgive me.
Go and beg me
Oga.
for police station.
Oh, babe!
Say, if you don't come back,
Babe!
I will come back.
You are ridiculous, I'm crying. You didn't go see you. Tell me, baby. Where's not doing you?